You glance at your bank account and, hey, there's some savings in there. You always pay your credit card on time. You think you're nailing this whole money thing. But what if I told you that 5 of the most common smart money habits are actually the very things keeping you from building real wealth? We're going to pull back the curtain on these hidden financial traps, and I'll show you how to fix them, starting today. Look, most of us were never taught this stuff, so these mistakes are incredibly common. But by the end of this, you'll have a clear plan to break free. First up, the saving what's left strategy. You get your paycheck, pay bills, buy groceries, and tell yourself, I'll save whatever's left over. But the problem is, life happens. That leftover amount is almost always zero. You're stuck living paycheck to paycheck even if you're making good money. The solution is to flip that on its head and pay yourself first. Before you pay a single bill, decide on a percentage to save, maybe 10 or 20%. Then automate it. The day you get paid, that money moves to a separate account. Treat your savings like your most important bill, because it is. Next is the minimum payment myth. You make that minimum payment on your credit card, you're dodging late fees, so what's the harm? The harm is that you've walked right into the most profitable trap credit card companies have ever designed. When you only pay the minimum, most of that money goes straight to interest, not the actual stuff you bought. A simple $1,000 balance can take years and thousands in extra dollars to pay off. It's a hamster wheel. The fix is powerful. Always aim to pay your statement balance in full. If you're already carrying debt, commit to paying more than the minimum. Even an extra $50 goes directly to the principal, getting you out of debt years sooner. Okay, this next habit is sneaky. You get a raise or a new higher-paying job. Your first thought, I deserve an upgrade, a nicer car, a better apartment. This is called lifestyle inflation, one of the quietest wealth killers. Your spending simply rises to meet your new income, and you end up in the exact same financial spot, just with more expensive stuff. Your brain quickly adapts, and soon those luxuries feel like necessities. The fix is to make a plan before the money hits your account. The next time you get a raise, commit to automatically saving or investing at least half of it. Use the other half to enjoy your hard work, but don't let your entire lifestyle inflate away your future. Now for the just-in-case savings trap. You're being diligent, building an emergency fund in a savings account. This feels like the smartest move possible, and it is, to a point. The hidden trap is that if all your savings are just sitting in a standard low-interest account, you're actually losing money every day. The silent culprit is inflation. Your money is losing its purchasing power. The number in your account stays the same, but what you can buy with it is constantly shrinking. The solution is a smarter, tiered approach. You absolutely need that 3 to 6 month emergency fund, but put it in a high-yield savings account. These are usually online and offer much higher interest rates. Anything beyond your emergency fund needs to be invested. This way, your money isn't just sitting there, it's actively growing. And finally, the I'll deal with it later approach to debt. You've got student loans, and looking at the total balance is so stressful that you just don't. You make the auto payment and hope for the best. Ignoring your debt is like ignoring a small leak in a boat. It only gets worse. You could be missing out on repayment plans or consolidation opportunities that could slash your interest rate. This procrastination could cost you thousands. The solution is to take 1 hour. That's it. Set a timer. For 1 single hour, log into your loan accounts. Write down your balances and interest rates. Knowledge is power, and simply understanding what you're up against is the most critical step to conquering it. So there they are, 5 smart habits sabotaging your future. Saving what's left, paying just the minimum, letting your lifestyle inflate, stashing all your cash in a basic savings account, and ignoring your debt. But the good news is you can change these. It starts with recognizing them and then choosing to replace just one. You don't have to fix everything overnight. Real financial progress isn't about being perfect. It's about moving in the right direction.